The market is so volatile that sometimes we have to look very closely and listen with our ears to identify the opportunities. And today I found 5 key opportunities which the market is trying to hint and tell me. So I will summarize and share this golden nugget just with you. Welcome back to Family Investors, and here we want to digest key information so I can deliver it straight to you. 5 key opportunities that you need to know what the market is telling us. But before watching this, make sure you watch this video. 5 trades that you need to avoid before you seek in this video. The very first one that I want to share, the opportunity right in front of me, is cyber security stocks. They've dropped so hard, so badly, but we have the cyber warfare that's going on between Ukraine, Russia, US, and everybody around the world. Cyber stocks are getting the attention because the investment from the government is coming in, because they're being utilized full-time. It's a very national threat for our utilities, our infrastructure, our information, and cyber stocks, the likes of CrowdStrike, Darktrace, Palo Alto, NET, are really on fire. So watch out. Number 2. Defense stock. It's a stock that pays you dividend. It's a stock that high engineering workforce, and they were ignored throughout COVID-19, and now they're getting the all attention. Why? Because of the Ukraine and Russia crisis. Germany just announced $100 billion injection investment to make sure they up their game. And this will just follow on to French, the Spanish, Italian, UK, US, everywhere. All will be doing well because investment will be flowing in. They pay you dividend. They're still growing. And the third one is green energy stocks. Okay, we've seen oil rising, oil flying, but then we need to understand we can fully rely on life at $100 oil. Green stocks are emerging, the likes of like the hydrogen, not just EV vehicle, but also battery charging station. These are the stocks that if you do hold, they might get injured. Perhaps consider adding them back in. But again, monitor them closely because these stocks are overvalued. But green stocks will have room to run, and it's definitely a very long-term play game in your portfolio. Number 4, financial stocks. Everybody laughs at the interest rates. They might not go up. Now we've got a war. Chinese is reducing interest rates. But then again, the banks are required here to work hard for everybody else. The interest rate will rise. The government will have to start selling their bonds away. And these banks will be making money from high-rising mortgages, high-rising bank loans, and also things that go inflated. So banks like Morgan Stanley, Barclays, HSBC will still be there. So don't sell the bank stocks. They are paying you growing dividends, and they are coming back with a bang. And the last but not fifth, the opportunities that you see are, I see again and again, I repeat this again and again, the FANG stocks. Mega cap companies that have got great profit margin, turnaround, buybacks, takeovers, mergers, cash flows. Those are the ones tax that will be doing well through this inflation climate. It's one of those where they've got cloud infrastructure, they've got digital transformation, they've got cash flow to buy out other companies. So I like my Google, Microsoft, Apple, I like my Nvidia. These are the stocks that I invest, and these are the FANG stocks which I can sleep overnight. And remember to check this video on my favorite 3 tech stocks. Thank you very much. I hope you find these 5 opportunities, what the market is telling us, useful. So do your due diligence, do your research, and I hope this is helping you in your journey. Thank you very much. Remember to click like and subscribe because I share up short videos in the near future on stocks for quick, rapid information that you can just pick up during your lunchtime and hopefully makes a difference in your investment journey.
I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out our website link below. More videos up here.
Bye.
Bye.